What, Pochita? You ready to kill something? Well, that makes two of us. Hunting devils is easily the best way to make some cash. Yeah, this thing's gotta be the tomato devil, sir. Burn the seeds or it'll use them to come back for round 2.
Ah, excellent work, Denji. Someone on the black market is bound to pay a hefty sum for this fresh corpse. How's 400,000 sound to you?
Sounds awesome!
That's before subtracting your debt payment and interest, though, which whittles it down to 170,000. Then there's the finder's fee, admin fee, management costs, and so on.